Hi, it's John from Owens Estate Planning, and in this video we're going to look at powers of attorney and whether or not they need to be registered for them to be able to be used. The reason I am covering this one in a video is because I regularly get a client who's a little bit confused because they've heard different things about whether or not powers of attorney must be registered, and this confusion comes from speaking to people who perhaps have a different type of power of attorney in place. The different type of power that usually we'd be looking at here is the enduring power of attorney, which were created by people up to 2008. Now, enduring powers of attorney could actually be used as soon as it was all signed as a completed document, and then only had to be registered if the donor, the person whose power it is that the document's about, only then if they had lost capacity would it have to be sent off to get registered. With the lasting powers of attorney, which are the documents that we would create from 2008 onwards, so anytime now you would be setting up a lasting power of attorney, these documents must be registered before they have legal power for the attorneys to go and act for them. So there is no ifs and buts. The lasting powers must be registered before they can be used by your attorneys. Now, to get registered, they have to be sent off to the governing body for lasting powers of attorney, called the Office of the Public Guardian, and there are various registration fees and things you have to look at paying, and there are ways to reduce the fees depending on your income and also depending on any benefits you might receive. I'll cover this in a separate video. The current fees at the moment for registration are £82 per power of attorney, and just to clarify, we've got two different types of powers of attorney that an individual can take out, one for their property and finances and one for their health and welfare. So in essence, a person looking to create powers for all of their areas of their life, which is both types, would be looking at paying two lots of £82 unless they can prove that their income or their benefits mean that they don't have to pay the full amounts. But as I say, I'll cover that part in a separate video. But this is just to clarify that for lasting powers of attorney, they must be registered before they can be used legally, whereas the enduring ones don't necessarily have to be registered. If the person still has capacity but wants someone to help them, then the attorneys could actually use it straight away. So that's sometimes where the confusion creeps in.